Hey, this is Jones with Pool Warehouse, and today we're looking at a 20 by 40 rectangle pool with an automatic cover. And as you can see, that cover is starting to quickly slide back into its home. It lives under the deck, so the way this cover is set up, the track is under your coping, and it travels in that track and recesses to a polymer housing that's underground. I love that setup. Depending on your municipality and the codes in your area, this sometimes will eliminate the need for a fence. So if you need to have a fence, you may just consider doing an automatic cover. Now I love the way the box looks. It's a aluminum and it's a light gray color, and it pairs nicely with that bullnose rounded edge. So this pool has a bullnose gray that comes standard with an automatic cover if you do the bullnose coping. Also have a nice 8-foot diving board. That's a gray diving board. You have to use an 8-foot with automatic cover because you need to push that diving board back a little bit. We've also got a ladder that has Johnny hinges. Now those Johnny hinges go down into the little anchors in the deck, and it's pretty easy to use. You just pull the pin and drop the ladder down in, and that's it. This pool is 8 foot deep. Now it doesn't have main drains. Depending on your codes in your area, a lot of people don't put main drains in anymore, especially in the South. It's something to consider. We can talk to you more about that if you have time. I also love the step that's on this pool. It's got the open pour top tanning ledge. It's a 6-foot tanning ledge followed by 2 steps. So it's a great area to lay out. The customer also chose to have the border taken off of this liner. As you can see, there's no tile border at the top if you look around it. So that's something that we can get taken off. There is a fee for that, but it definitely helps make the liner look a little bit great. If you have questions about this pool, feel free to visit poolwarehouse.com or give us a call, and we'll try to get all those questions knocked out for you.